This is the Dreamscape Suede. But it's not just any suede, it's the high-performance suede. Sometimes they'll list it as Dreamscape HP Suede. We like to think that it was made specifically for HP. It's really just called the high-performance suede. What Dreamscape did is they developed a product in which there's more attention on the surface of the material to make sure that if you're printing with a digital printer, and specifically a latex printer, you're going to arrive at better results using the high-performance suede. Now, Dreamscape took this high-performance suede and expanded it also to other high-performance products like high-performance matte. The Dreamscape high-performance suede is a certified media. You see here, there's a little logo that says certified right there. This is the product that I use most widely if I'm going to use PVC wall covering. With PVC wall covering, this is a commercial grade wall covering. It is inherently type 2 when you print on it, or excuse me, it's inherently type 2 as a wall covering. When you print on it, it will not necessarily be type 2 unless you put a liquid laminate on it. In most cases, we'll use a UV liquid laminate. But if you print on it, you're going to get very good scratch and scuff durability. Keep in mind that type 2 has a lot of tests beyond just scratching. It's scuffing, scratching, ketchup, mustard, cleaners. It goes through quite a litany. This will require a liquid laminate if you want to have true type 2 once you have it on the wall finished print. Also, the lamination may help some with the installation, particularly during the cleanup, so you don't have any irregular paste or anything that kind of embeds itself into the image. I would tend to recommend, depending on the application and depending on the expectations of the customers, that you do go through with a liquid lamination for the Dreamscape High Performance Suede. But many people install it without the lamination. Latex is going to be inherently very scuff and scratch resistant, but it won't be type 2 scuff and scratch resistant. Nonetheless, it's an excellent product. It prints very well, has a nice surface. We've partnered with Dreamscape for a very long time. I believe they have 3 products currently that are on the certified list for the latex Gen 3 inks, and the stuff is marvelous. Please keep in mind, which is true with many materials, if you're printing solid colors, and there's a narrow range of certain solid colors, that if this is being seen in a very stark, clean light, like say sunlight, you might notice in a solid color, let's just take an example, green or purple, that there's very, very slight vertical banding. You may not be able to remove all of it. There are some techniques that I recommend to remove almost all vertical banding. You want to run slower. You want to make sure the vacuum is low as possible. You want to make sure that the temperature is down. Those are the 3 key things. And if you do those, you can eliminate almost all vertical banding. Depending where it's viewed. If the viewing is going to be exceedingly precise with a lot of direct sunlight, you may notice it. If it were in a hallway or in a room with different types of lighting, it may be perfectly fine and the human eye won't pick it up. But nonetheless, it's a great product. This is probably my go-to if I have a PVC requirement, and I'm going to be printing with a commercial. This is a paste wall covering. So you're going to put paste on this, and then you're going to install it with the paste on. Dreamscape has been working with latex for a long time. They're a very large digital wall covering manufacturer, and this is a certified media for HP Latex Gen 3 inks.